Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Look at the HMST, guys. So this actually came from our AI, okay? There was the alert at 13.99, and this is this is on the 15-minute candle where the alert happened. And look what it did for the longest period of time. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 10, almost 2.5 hours before it finally started to move. And this is a buyout. And I actually had kind of dismissed the fact, I don't like to take a look at buyouts, merger of some sort. But look what happened. And my goodness, it went from $13.99 all the way up to $15.74. I have to show you my, my combo scan a little bit later, okay, $14.42 at $12.21. You could have got in it there. I also have to look at this DWAC. I don't want to draw the chart. It might take too long. But DWAC, you just have to check what it got up to. It went from 1990 up to 20, a little over 20. And so this, my combo scan, which is my favorite scam, absolutely alerted a couple of great ones today. All right, everybody, want to get back into the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.